Next, we can write one animation and apply for this banner. So before banner CSS, write call. This is called comment. Animation in CSS. Animation in CSS. We will write here @keyframe. So this file you have template3. Hope this file is available with everyone. Then you can find this. Okay, you can write here @keyframes. @keyframes used to create the animation. It is a reserved word, predefined keyword. Name is called @keyframes. 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 It is used to create the animation. Now next we will write the name of the keyframes. Call as a my banner. My banner. My banner. Name of the animation is my banner. Under this my banner, we will do something. Now come down and connect this my banner to the animation. Animation : my banner. Okay, animation : my banner. Now, whatever we write under the my banner, that will get applied to the banner. Under the banner, using the keyword animation, we are calling the my banner. So what we'll do under the my banner? Let's go here. Okay, you have to write here. But again, timer. First, we need to set the timer here. Animation -duration. Animation should happen, but for how long? 5 seconds. Animation should be for 5 seconds. Like when the my banner animation will call, for 5 seconds animation will be there. After 5 seconds, it will stop. Then how many time will call? Like every call will be for 5 seconds. Now animation iteration count 10 times. So animation will call once. It will call, it will be for the 5 seconds, and total it will call 10 times. This is the total number of times. The total number of time it is going to call 10 times. Every time it will be for the 5 seconds. And now what you want to do in this 5 seconds, we have to write here. In that 5 seconds, what we want to do, we have to write here. Okay. So in 5 seconds, so you wrote is this animation. What is the name of the animation? My banner. My banner will be for how long? 5 seconds. How many times it will call? 10 times. Now in 5 seconds, every time it is going to call, and it will be existing for the 5 seconds. 10 times it will call. In 5 seconds, what you want to do? That you have to write here. So you will write here, when 25% of 5 seconds will get finished, when 25% of 5 seconds will get finished, 1.25 seconds, then background convert into red color. Okay, by default background we are given dark blue. It will convert into fully red. Okay, it will convert into red. After that, 50-second time will get finished. 50% time of 5 seconds will get finished. Then background you convert into different color, green color. When 75% time will get finished, 75% time will get finished, change the background into something purple color. And once 100% time will get finished, by default it will go to the default color that is called dark blue. Okay. Check now, save the file. Difference automatically the background will keep change. Changing. If code wise everything is correct, the color will change. Anyways. This will happen 10 iteration. 10 into 5, 50 seconds. After 50 seconds, it will stop.
It will be on lower listen after 50 seconds.
Default one.
Yeah. You want to give continuous?
Infinite. Instead of 5 second, 10 second, you will write here call infinite. 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 It will not stop. It will keep going till the page is open. Okay. Infinite. It will keep happening. It will not stop. Now let's add some more thing in that. Change the font size. Font size to 40 pixel. Change in this font size 60 pixel. Change in the last font size 70 pixel. We will see zoom out, zoom in will happen. Then zoom in, zoom out. Color will change. Text will be keep resizing. We can also keep float left, float right. It will go left, it will come right, it will go left, it will come right. This file will leave now. We can go for next file. Animation happen only in HTML, not in CSS. Yes, it happen only in CSS, not in HTML. In HTML, you have a tag, no marquee. Using marquee, you can make animation. Okay, template 4 file we create now. In that, we'll see how we can divide the page into multiple blocks, row wise as well as column wise. HTML add style. Body should be here. Come inside. Now write a division class equal to row 1, row 1, row 1. Write the comment. Here text you can add something 1, 1, 1. The row 1 and the row 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, you are repeating 3 times. Row 2, row 2, row 2, we repeated 4 times. So this we are going to make total 3 blocks. And this we are going to make total 4 block. Now let me write a class called row 1. In row 1, first we will calculate the, like in one line you want 3. So width will be 33.33%. After that, let's keep height 200 pixel, background red color, and width will given display. Inline hyphen block. Okay, written display. Inline block is also like is a float left. Now, how many blocks would fit in one line? 3. But you can't find a space. 2 are coming. Third one is not coming. Okay, so 33.33, hold on. Let's convert into float left. Here some buffer space is required. You will get confused. Float left you add here. Float left. Okay. Float left. Now it will fit 3, but the space is gone. 111 is coming. Now let's apply the margin now. Margin, assume 2%. It will take 2% left, 2% right, 4%. 4% will go. 33 minus 4 you have to do. Okay, 29. Based on 29, exact 3 block will come on the basis of there will be a gap of 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 4 pixel between each block. Coming 3 blocks. 3 blocks exactly. Now can you do, see, understand first why we given here 29 and how we calculated. First we are given the equal width, and then we calculated the number of blocks. After that, to apply the gap, we required some space. So assume, okay, let's give 2%. So 2% will be minus from the original width. 2% left, 2% right, 4% will be minus. Then it will fit. If you will not give this minus, if you will not do minus here, only 2 will come in one line, the remaining will go to the next line. Next we have called 4. So in 4, suppose if you are giving the 4 column, then what should be the width? First 25% will be the width. 25% will be the width for each one. And in 25%, if you give the margin 2%, then 4% will be minus. 21 will come. Okay. Right. Now write a class. In that width will be 21. Margin will be 2 pixel. Float left. Give some width. Give some height. Give some background color. Write another class. Row 2. In the row 2, try adjusting 4 block in one line. We have written a class to row 2. So keep 4 block in one line. Give the height 200 somewhere. You can message in the group also. Who is that? Sandarya. I will not keep in watching. I will take class or I'll see the WhatsApp. Tell me. Same screenshot, you can send in the group also. Where in the WhatsApp? Not in WhatsApp, in the Zoom chat. Save the file and then run. It should work. Send your code in chat. I will guide you. Send your code in Zoom chat. If you send your code in the Zoom chat, I will guide you what is the error. Get it? Row 2. Row 2. In row 2, width we are given 21%. 21%. Then after that, height let it be. Width you can background change to some other color. Then float is okay. This width is also fine. Now automatically 4 rows will fit in one line. See, 4 rows is fitting. Now create another block. Create another class where 2 will be non-equal block. 2 will be non-equal block. One ID as a block 3 and another ID block 4. First should be nearly 30%. Second should be somewhere 70%. Block 3. It is based on ID. Now the first width will be 30% and second width will be 70%. Height you can give 300 or maybe same height also you can give 200. Height 200, but width will be 70% and 2% margin you have to give. 2% margin should be there. 30-70 combination minus 2% margin for both. Then you try. If you understand, then it will be helpful for you. If you not understand, there is no meaning. Who is that person? Class name, read class name here. Who is that? Sundarya. Class name is row 1 and you have written row. Compare that. And don't send message in WhatsApp during class time. Message in where? Zoom chat. Zoom have a free feature called chat. Login in laptop and then message from the system. This is called class 1, row 1, not only row. Convert into row 1, it will work. Row 1. Write row 1, then it will work.
Sir, we have to arrange in one line only.
Yeah, 30-70.
In one line.
30-70 only. One is 30%, another one is 70%, but 30% minus 2% and 70% minus 2%. Different color you can write. 26% and 66%. 66. 2% margin if we give, then 4% will go to 66 width and again 26 width. Got it? ID. ID. Here once. Block 3, block 4. Block 3, what is the width? Or 30%. 26.
After March
26 and 46.
66.
66. Block 3 has block 3. Width will be 26. Height is okay. Background some other color. Note left, margin is fine. Block 4. Then two block will appear non-equal block. Okay. Next, write another block next row that will be reverse of this. 70-30. This is 30-70. No? This is 30 and 70. Write one more. Huh? Fine. 70%, 30%. What is the ID name you will give? Hmm? Already written, no? Why you will write? See here, here you can give block 4. And here you will give block 3. So, but it is based on ID. ID get repeated, problem will happen. So you can write the same and change the class inside the CSS. So first what you call 3 and then you call 4. Now you call your first 4 and then call 3. The block will get exchanged. And then instead of ID, change in the CSS as a class. You will not have to write the complete CSS. In CSS, no need to write the extra CSS. This ID you have written, change into the class. Class. Okay. And just exchange the block 3, 4 and 4 and 3. In CSS, has replaced by dot. Then, so hope we change in the CSS instead of has as a dot and dot. So your CSS will be same. Instead of ID, it will convert into class. It's like this. Okay. Working. Now create one block in the last that will cover full width.
96 feet and 4% margin. 2% margin.
Block 5 should cover full width. So for that, height 300 pixels, not 100, 200 or 100 maybe. Okay, dates I have not written. How long it will be? It's not visible anywhere. Without float, can you check where is going? It's going. That is because of when you have add the float left. When you add to the float left, you can see index of element is increased. Red have the float left, green has float left. Everywhere is the float left. But in this purple, float left is not there. Purple is down, whereas remaining all is up. We can see from here, purple is inside. That meaning their Z index is low. There we have not used the float left. Remaining other have Z index more. That is because of float left. Okay. When you add the float left, indexing will become increase. Indexing will be +1. When index will become +1, next element will not be there. It will go inside. Next element will go inside. Assume table you have in home. Okay. If you put a bag inside the house and by mistake, by leg you hit the bag, bag will go below the table. Okay. Now the Z index of table is high and the Z index of bag is low. Because of that, bag went inside the table. You are searching in entire house, where is the bag? Bag is there only below the table. Division, when you added the float left, Z index will increase. Means you can say it went up somewhere. When it will go up, remaining elements are down only. It will not be on their position. It will slide in. It will go inside. Okay. You can also consider like in one plate, there is a high index area, low index area. If you put water, where it will go? It will go down, correct? Now we have to put in between one controller. Controller saying like half plate is high index and half plate is low index. Okay, the water of high index should not go to the low index, and content of low index should not go inside the high index. That's called a separator. Okay, so whenever you write the float left, this problem will come. In the last block 5, we have not written the float left. In this, if you write float left, it will fit properly. But without, there is no logic to write float left here. Reason, it is covering full width. It's covering the full width. If you not write float left, this problem will come. You wanted to display in the last, it is displaying on the top. So after this yellow and blue block, you have to apply one separator. Saying like above area is high index and bottom area is low index. Between high index and low index, one separator. Wall, non-visible wall. It will not allow low index content to go inside the high index. Okay, that is the problem of float left. For that solution also we can write here. Before the float left, before the footer, you need to add any tag, maybe division. And for this, you write any ID. Clear me. Okay. Clear me. Clear me added. Now come to the CSS. For clear me, you have to write some ID. So clear me ID becomes a separator. Before that, all are in the high index. After that, content is in the low index. This will be one separator. It will not allow low index content to go inside the high index. For that, you have the property called this one, clear colon both. Clear colon both. Clear colon both. Clear colon both. See it now. Without float left, it will fit in the last. Okay, so what is the clear both? Clear both will use whenever we use the float left, but not between the float left. You can see red are also float left, green is also float left. So don't use here clear both because all are on high index itself. Where your high index will get end and low index element start. There you can apply this property called clear both. Okay, where high index get end, low index element start, there we can do the clear both. Okay, so in this file we understood how we can calculate the space. In case if you are writing the margin and padding both, here suppose I have given 2% of margin, right? Assume in this volume, in this element here, you have given the margin as a 2%, then you got the width as a 29. In case if you apply padding 1%, and margin 2%. Then we have to margin, already you are minusing. Along with that, you have to minus padding also. Now suppose if you give 1% padding, so 1% left, 1% right, 2%. So now you have to do the calculation of 6% total. 3%, your 4% margin and 2% is padding. 3% in the left and 3% in the right. That way we can. Then your page will fit in the property analysis. Okay. Next file we can create. Template 5. Okay. In template 5, we'll learn how we can make a menu and submenu. Menu and submenu. Menu will be one, and inside the menu there will be submenu. Okay, so first let's create the menu, then we'll see the submenu. Try example 5. Everyone should write the code. You will write the ID main menu. UL will have ID called main menu. Main menu. It will have li. Home. About us. Services. Contact us. Branches. Okay, ready? Main menu. In main menu, write the CSS first. Body tag. Margin. From top 10px. Left right 10%. Bottom 10px. For body tag. Then for main menu, as confirm once you're ready with HTML. Please message in the chat if you have completed with HTML. After writing this much, reply in the chat completed. Now write the CSS for main menu. Background black color. Color white color. Font size. Okay, font size no need to give here. Main menu of li. Display inline. Inline hyphen block. Inline block. And okay, in UL padding we have not written. Okay, we can write padding here. from top 15, left right 40, bottom 15. Color white we have written here in UL only. Let me apply it in here. COLOR, correct? First from here, and right here, that is also okay. It will give you normal submenu menu. Normal menus. ULLI cursor colon pointer. When your mouse will go there, convert into pointer. Font size, if you want, increase or let it be. Font weight we can increase. Working. Something like this. Next, after that, you need to work on submenu part. So first we need to create the HTML portion, then we can write the CSS code. So hope your main menu of LI completed. Next, after this, in the services LI, in services LI, write again UL. In services LI, again write the UL. Anything dots is coming here? No dot, no? Okay. Inside this UL, you will write class equal to submenu. Class, why we are writing? Because this submenu class we want to repeat 2 times. Okay, you can write here. If dot is coming, then let me change to red color this. Dot is visible. There is no dot for us. Anyone else have dot? No. Yeah, no. So under the UL submenu we wrote right here called LI services anything service 1, service 2, 3, 4, service 3, service 4, service 2, service 2, service 3. What is the class? Submenu. But don't keep out of the UL. It should be inside the UL only, inside the LI. Copy this again. Go to the branches. In branches, also add the UL. Add some city name. Marathali. Silk board. Silk board. Marathali silk board in factory. Well, this is under the branches. Complete HTML. You have not written CSS. We are talking something else. You are talking something else. What's your name here? Soundarya. You are not able to understand. I told her not send the photo in WhatsApp. Log in the system and whatever you have error, send in the where? Zoom. Once you do a meeting with the outside of India, no? Once you join a company and deal with any foreign client, you want to send your screenshot, send in the mobile. Okay. We should upgrade ourselves. Look like her mic is not working. Okay, written HTML. Now, if you look into the browser, it looks like this. In services, it is coming service 1, 2, 3, 4. In branches, it is coming Marathali Silk 10 factory, and but it is not as what we wanted. In services, it should be in the new line, correct? Similar, different. Complete HTML. LI, UL you add. Here also LI, UL you add. Okay. Now come to CSS. Right here, as main menu, have LI. Under LI, have a submenu, or directly you can write submenu also. Dot submenu of LI. First for CSS for submenu. background green, background is a green, and then submenu of li, under the submenu, whichever the li is there, should be display block. Submenu of li, display block. Okay, submenu of li, display block. You can see, oh, it's not gone to the new line. Exclamation important. Set higher priority. Exclamation important. Set higher priority. Something like this. All will come to the new line. It should be in the same line. Okay, same line we can do later. Check now. Submenu of li will go to the new line, and main menu of li will come in the same line. Here you have written display inline block, means be in the same line. Which one? Main menu of li should be display inline. Main menu of li should be display inline, and the submenu of li should be display block. Then only the main menu will come in one line. See home, about, service, contact, branches, and then login. This will come down. We have one property, we'll add it will come down. So these all are coming in one line, plus these all are going to the new line. Now write for the submenu. Submenu need to follow the parent. Submenu is the part of li. Now because of submenu, li is changing the position. Right? Because of submenu, li change the position. We will make li be on the position, the submenu will follow you. Now see in this example, submenu, li has changed the position because of submenu. Now the submenu should be here, sorry, main menu should be here, and the submenu should follow it. For that, means the child should follow the parent. So for that, we have to follow the position absolute. Position absolute. In that, the parent, wherever you write, that will be on the position where their element will follow it. Okay, so in submenu we'll write position absolute. ABSOLUTE, absolute. Position absolute. Run the screen full width. Don't run half a screen. You need to run your page like us. See how we are running. We are running the full width, no? If you run in half a screen, login will go to the new line. So run like full screen, then it will come in one line. So now look like this. Next, what should happen? Next, it should not be like all the submenu will be visible. By default, it should be hidden. Now the content came on the proper place. It should be hidden. When the mouse will touch the main menu, then only the submenu should open. So, but till here, all are on the track or not, don't know. See, this many CSS only. Some people are saying here and there. Replace your code, I am sending in the chat. I sent complete CSS, replace it. Replace your complete CSS. So hope you replace. Now come to the submenu. Write a property called display none. Display none. The submenu will be hidden. Display none. Now submenu will be hide. Submenu will not be visible. Right, display none. Your submenu will hide now. Submenu hidden. Submenu will be hidden. Now when your mouse will touch the main li, mouse will touch the main li, then your compiler should check under the main li any submenu class is there. If there, then show it. Okay, by default you have made as a hide. Okay, user will move the mouse on menu and our compiler has to check under the main menu any submenu class is there. If yes, then so. So how it will be? Go here. Has main menu of li colon over. When the user will move the mouse on main menu, then check is there any submenu? Is there any menu? Is there any class? Because the submenu where we are written under the main li, the submenu we have written under the li only. No, li is the main li. So we are writing under the main menu li. When the over will happen, then check is there any submenu? Yes. Then display block. Display colon block. Display colon block. It will show you the submenu. When the mouse will touch, the submenu will open. What was happening? When the mouse will go there on main menu, if any submenu is there, it will open automatically. See, position is little here there, we can change it. When mouse will go here, submenu will open, but it has to come little left. From top there should be gap. Let me write now. Modify it. Submenu is here. From top there should be some gap. Top, margin top, margin height and top 0 px. No, should be more 15 px is more 13 px is okay. Then padding height left minus 20 px will not work. These two lines I need to add in submenu. Margin top and padding left 0 px. Margin top 13 and padding left 0. So it will start after black. Margin top 13 and then padding left 0. Here also in submenu also we have to write, but I'll see first in console. Then I can come. Margin top 13, padding left 0. Now in the submenu, we have something. Padding is here. Okay. Padding hyphen left 0 px. Okay. Padding left 10 px. In the submenu of li, padding hyphen left somewhere 10 px. Exclamation important. Set higher priority. And in the submenu, you can make little more width. Add this padding left 10 px. Okay. Now for submenu, you can write some width 200 pixel nearly. So that submenu will be little wide. Submenu will be little wide. Something like this. For submenu, you can write width 200 pixel. Submenu will be little wide. Coming. This is called menu and submenu. You can work on this. You can make some more design. Try extending this if possible. Okay. Anyone code is not working? Last portion might will have a problem. I will send you the code again, entire CSS. I will send you complete CSS again. Complete CSS sent again. You can check it. Okay, full CSS sent in the chat. We can check once. Next day we will enter under the external CSS. When? On Monday, not tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Monday, coming Monday, we will enter under the external CSS. Okay, thank you. CSS is right. CSS is the best. CSS टेबल आपको ट्राई करना ही चाहिए. I sent you complete code. You can replace it. Kishore. Code is not working. For that purpose only I have sent you the code. You can come. We are in the institute only. Daily I am sitting in the institute. Even also 10 people will come in the class. 10 people will come in the class also. You can come whenever you want.